In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your Class A bias current through your output tube using a Helipot. What this is a variable resistor. It's actually calibrated 0 to 1K at 5 watts of power. Perfect for small Class A amps. I've got a multimeter hooked up right now. I can dial in resistance. So we'll start our test at the typical 470 ohms that you see in a normal guitar amp. For the demonstration, we're going to use a little Fender Champ amplifier. The Helipot is connected one side to ground through a current meter, and the other side is going to the cathode of the 6V6. So now the Helipot is in series. We'll plug it in and watch our current meter. The amp's going to warm up and you're going to start seeing current. So at 470 ohms, it looks like I'm a little over 42 milliamps of current. Still climbing. So let's say you said, well, I'd rather have this at 38 milliamps. So I can increase my resistance and it would drop that current right into the target. So there is my 38 milliamps. So rather than trying to calculate your resistance, you can simply disconnect, measure the resistance on the Helipot, and find a resistor that's close to that value, and you'll get the current you're looking for your Class A amp. So the Helipot is indicating approximately 597 ohms. Hooked up my multimeter to verify it. Looks like it's slightly off. So to come in close to that current range, you could probably use a 600 ohm resistor at 5 watts. So this nifty little Helipot can be obtained on eBay. These were built long ago, I believe, for the military, for calibration of test stands and other devices. They're perfect though for setting Class A bias.